A really cute spot just opened up on the mainland. It's called the Ewagoyin Cafe. They have a variety of foods available. I ordered Ewagoyin and bread, a classic, and my mom got ofada rice and sauce. She eventually added eggs to hers. And at this point, I was just so excited to eat. I was tearing this bread up, you guys, and yeah, it was really good. I'd rate it a good 8.5 out of 10. I had finished eating mine in a jiffy, and my mom had also finished eating hers. I hadn't really asked her what she would rate it, but I think she liked it. You guys, eventually our bill was just 3,100. Last time I ate something this affordable was in school.